Introducing XDraw, a comprehensive drawing, creation, and editing tool by XTEN-AV. XDraw will be a part of XTEN-AV's cloud-based software as a service platform and will be available for free to all subscribers of the XTEN-AV service. XDraw is a next-generation drawing tool. It lets users search and add products from the XTEN-AV database. A great new feature of XDraw is that users can create their own product blocks on the spot and need not wait for XTEN-AV to create the blocks for them. Users can also add port information to existing products in the XTEN-AV database, especially the ones that do not have the port information available. Once a block is created by the user, it gets saved in the user's own library of products called My Library. In the future, you can search directly from My Library and find the products created or edited by you or by your teammates. Once you have added all the products, switch to the XDraw editor. Here you will find all the blocks of the products added in the BOM, and now you can easily make the connections between the devices using the comprehensive drawing tools available in XDraw, such as easy connectivity between ports and devices, add cable ID, using different connectivity lines, adding AV symbols or searching and adding generic symbols, adding layers, text and block properties, adding images to your drawings, and much more. You could then save these drawings and download them in several formats such as Autocad, Visio, PDF, and more. Once a design is complete, go to the View Design page to access all the documents generated for your design. You will get the following automatic documents on completing your line schematics: rack layout, cable schedule, ceiling speaker layout, proposal, scope of work. And all these documents are editable. XDraw will revolutionize the way you create your drawings, irrespective of your vertical, as it can be used in commercial AV, residential, IT, security, and in many more arenas. Try now for free on XTEN-AV.com.